Wow. 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 I did that. No one else. Just me. Yes, ma'am. You heard that right. Me. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited how this is gonna come out. Basically, what I've been doing since I woke up, I just put on my cap, then put the wig over. It's not secured or anything. I just put it on me and put my hair out of the way. So I put the hairline where I wanted it. And I also cut the front of the hair so my hair can like frame my face, just to make it more realistic. And I'll show you what I've been doing to help with the bulkiness, because as you can tell on this side of the hair is a lot fuller than this side of the hair. This side of the hair is a lot thinner in comparison. So I'm gonna go through my hair and I'm just gonna section it like this. Like I said, I'm gonna do a side part of my hair. Then fix this a bit. Usually people use razors, but my razor isn't strong enough. I was using these. I got these at 99-cent store. It doesn't really go well on my hair. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my scissors. I'm gonna grab a section of my hair. And I'm not gonna go like this. I'm not gonna cut my hair like this. No, I'm just gonna use it like a razor. So here's what I mean is that slowly closing it, but not all the way to cut it. Just enough to pull a bit of hair out. You'll see a lot more once I start brushing out the hair. And that's just what I've been doing to thin it out. This is my first wig, so please don't yell at me if I'm doing this wrong. You know, it's my first time. I make mistakes, that's fine. It's okay. And then I just keep going through it until I'm satisfied with how thin it is. This side is still a lot thicker. Still need to thin it out a lot more. I'll be back once I'm done thinning this side out. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it on now.
Is it okay if I cough? Like just normal?
If you want to. I'm still gonna be like, shut up.
You're like really ugly.
And you are very annoying. Damn, we can't have the best of both worlds now, can we? I think this is the best I can do. So now it's time to.
With your skills, I'm surprised you got that far.
I think I'm gonna install the cap now. Hopefully it goes okay. Let me watch the video first. Go in with some glue. This is the only one I have. I don't have any other one. And just pull my hair back. So basically you're gonna bring this bitch all the way down, like as far as you can. This is really hard, like what the heck? Okay, got it. Finally fucking got it. And I'm gonna try and fold my braids to go inside. And I'm not going anywhere because of COVID. So like who's gonna see? Who's gonna see? the girl that I'm watching, she said to use a darker foundation. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh my god. This is so scary. I know I'm using a lot. I'm scared. I feel like I put a little bit too much on. But like I want this to hold. Cause I'm gonna take pictures with this. I'm gonna make a TikTok with this. So as you can tell, I started cutting my cap. I didn't have any storage anymore, so I took a break, let my phone charge for a bit, and got rid of extra storage and ate. So now we're here. And I'm scared. I'm struggling so hard with this wig. It looks so easy. The girls make it look so easy. I forgot I had makeup on my comb. So alcohol. What an idiot. So she said to like clean your forehead. Look at that. It would get stuck on the makeup, not my skin, if I didn't do this. I only have this glue. I'm gonna put lighter coat on it, and if I think I need more, I will put more. But if I don't think I need more, I'm winging this shit. So I'm putting on the glue, but I'm putting it downwards so the cap doesn't like fly away. I'm going to be a lot more careful. You know, you make mistakes and you learn from them. It's okay, it happens to everyone. Okay, so apparently this is gonna be my first layer. So I'm just gonna go in with this and push it down. So as I'm doing this, I'm thinking that if I do this right, I will cosplay. I will cosplay. Give me ideas of what blonde bitch you guys want me to cosplay as. I'll be right back once I have both layers down, okay? I did another layer of glue, and now I'm gonna put my hair forward. So here she is. I know it's not even like properly put on because obviously you can still see like the back of my head, like my hair on the back of my head, but this is what we got. I decided to put her on the side. I'm gonna mess around with her. I'm gonna curl her or give her more volume and make it look more realistic. So I'll be back with you guys once I have all my makeup and my hair done. But yeah, that was such a challenge. That is a challenge. So if you guys want to see more videos like this where I am struggling to do the bare minimum, hit that like button. See, I can't even do the bare minimum. Bare minimum. You see? Like and subscribe if you want to. Obviously, that is if you want to. Yeah, so stay tuned for the finale. Bitch, who am I? Who am I? What's her name? I don't know what to name her yet, but I'm gonna give her a name. Oh my god, her looks so cute. What the fuck? This wig is so beautiful. Oh my god, I can't believe I actually did that. I did that. I did that. I look like a wings fairy. The blonde one with really long blonde hair, I look like her. And then look at how long it is. I was so afraid that my forehead was too small. I was so afraid that I fucked shit up. I was so afraid that I ruined my wig. But I did such a good job for my first time. This is great. This is impressive. I like this. I like her. You got yourself a little Winx baddie right here. Oh my god, he feels so cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to make TikToks and make cute videos. Okay, see y'all later whenever I post. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. But yeah, oh my god, I'm so proud. Okay, love you guys, bye.